Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Today's video features a German goulash soup recipe from my sister. This is not only the best goulash soup recipe in the world, my sister is the best sister in the world too. Let me show you how to make it. First, you need to cut the meat into 1/4-inch sized cubes. Then finely slice the onions. Cut the bell pepper into 1/2-inch pieces. Then heat the oil in a large pot and sear the meat cubes. Sprinkle with flour and fry for a minute on medium-high. Then stir in the tomato paste and mix well. Deglaze with the wine and the broth. Add your chili flakes or fresh chili and the onions and bell pepper cubes. Then simmer the meat on medium-low heat for about 90 minutes. Peel the potatoes and cut them into 1/2-inch sized cubes. Add the potatoes, salt, pepper, paprika powder and chili powder to the pot and cook for about 30 more minutes. This soup is the perfect dish for a chilly day. It warms body, heart and soul. Serve it with a crispy homemade German roll. Guten Appetit!